In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your sales tax rates for the orders that are placed through your client galleries. To get started, let's click into the Selling tab and then into the Sales Tax page. Since this is a new account, I haven't defined any sales tax yet, so I'm going to click Begin here to get started. I'm going to select my country, my state, and I'm going to select whether to define my sales tax for a specific city, a specific postal code, or a specific county, or just all areas. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at all areas since that's how it works here in Utah, and I'm going to say 6.35%. We do not charge tax on our shipping here, so I'm going to leave that blank, and I'm going to say Save. Once the page refreshes, you'll see that the sales tax has been set up for all areas in Utah, and no tax is being charged on the shipping. Now if I wanted to add a second criteria, for example, if my state required that I charge different shipping based on the city it was being sent to, I could do that by clicking Create New, selecting the country, the state, and the city. Now I can say all orders being shipped to Salt Lake City will be charged a different rate than all the other places within Utah that we have defined before. As the page refreshes, you'll see that instead of just the all areas, we now have Salt Lake City defined, and any order shipping to Salt Lake City is going to be charged 9%. Now if you have a whole bunch of different rates that you need to import, you can do that by importing from a CSV file. I have a CSV file already set up, but you can read the instructions here on how to set it up, and then select the CSV file, import it, and here you can see it's imported 328 records. These were records for Washington, and it's set up to import for all the cities. If we scroll down, we can also see that we've got records for counties, and then we had a catch-all at the top for all areas within Washington that we didn't happen to have a record for. To modify any of your sales tax rates, simply click on the item that you want to modify, make your changes, click Save. And that's it. That's how you add your sales tax rates to your account. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.